In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up a dynamic email signature in Salesforce. Having a personalized email signature not only saves time, but also adds a professional touch to every email you send. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to set this up in Salesforce, ensuring your emails always leave a great impression. First, let's start by accessing your user settings. In the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, you'll see your user profile avatar. It's usually a circular image or icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you want to select Settings. By doing this, you're entering the area where you can customize many aspects of your Salesforce experience, including your email settings. Now that you're in the Settings page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a list of categories that you can explore. For now, we are focusing on the email settings. So, scroll through the menu until you find the section labeled Email. Click on this and then select My Email Settings. This path will lead you directly to where we can configure your email signature. Once you arrive at the My Email Settings page, you'll notice a text box labeled Email Signature. This is where the magic happens. In this box, you'll type out your standard closing. Consider what you'd like to include to reflect your professional image. A typical email signature might include your name, your title, and any additional contact information you deem necessary. Be sure to format it neatly, making use of line breaks where needed to keep it easy to read. Having a dynamic and personalized email signature is a small but impactful way to enhance your professional communications. It's like handing out a virtual business card with every email you send. If you have a company logo or a special quote that represents your professional ethos, you might want to include that here as well. Remember, though, to keep it concise to maintain its effectiveness. After you've crafted the perfect signature, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this ensures that your new signature will be appended to all outgoing emails. It's a simple but crucial step to avoid losing any of the information you've just entered. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a dynamic email signature in Salesforce. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that every email you send is both professional and personalized. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted signature. It speaks volumes about your attention to detail and your commitment to professionalism. If you ever need to update your signature, you can simply return to the My Email Settings page and make the necessary changes. Salesforce makes it easy to keep your communications current and reflective of your professional image. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy emailing.